beautiful spotted sandpiper is a medium-sized shorebird with a bill slightly shorter than its head's length, and it has a longish tail. It is commonly found along sandy shorelines and on the banks of lakes, rivers, and streams. In the breeding season, spotted sandpipers have dark backs, bold dark spots on their bright white breast, and an orange bill. However, in non-breeding season, spotted sandpiper breasts have no spots at all. They're just plain white, with a lighter grayish-brown back and a pale yellow bill. Spotted sandpipers are easily recognizable, though, for their distinctive bobbing. Their tail sways up and down constantly. When they forage for their food, they do a shuffle walk quickly whilst continuing to tail bob.
Shuffle, shuffle, bob, bob. Bob, bob, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle, bob, bob. Bob, bob, shuffle, shuffle. Shuffle, shuffle, bob, bob. Bob, bob, shuffle, shuffle.